It's like my camera hates me, or I don't know. It's not like I got 90% through this video and then my camera shut off and did not save the video that I recorded. So now I'm back doing this again. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're looking at Capri Tools' new locking flex head ratchets. Take two, hopefully the last take. Let's get this done with. Capri Tools recently released the 1/4 inch drive and 3/8 drive and 1/2 inch drive locking flex head ratchets with the comfort grip. I went with the 1/4 inch and the 3/8. 1/2 inch drive, I'm usually using a really big boy, a breaker bar, or an impact. So I primarily use 1/4 inch and 3/8, so that's what we're looking at today. But they do have the 1/2 inch drive available. You can get a full 3-piece set, or you can buy them individually. The 1/2 inch drive, you're looking at 8 1/4 inches long. The 3/8 drive, you're looking at 12 inches long. And the 1/2 inch drive, you're looking at 18.5 inches long. These are going to fall between your standard length and the extra long ratchets. So I think these are going to be really popular because this is primarily the length that I look at using 90% of the time. All the new design ratchets are a 90 tooth. They do have their older design, the free floating flex heads, that I believe are a 72 tooth. But you do have a 4-degree arc swing with the 90 tooth design here, and it is extremely smooth, like always. I've been using Capri Tools since 2016, 2017, and I've always been impressed with their products. Here you can see the Capri Comfort Grip, dual material, rubberized plastic, kind of got a contoured shape, flared end, really comfortable handle. So just real quickly, I'll show you the 1/4 inch drive options. You have here the non-flex head, kind of your standard length, the new design locking flex head, and the extra long that they had available. They still have this available, but it's in a non-comfort grip, and I believe it's a little bit shorter. I don't know if they're going to be re-releasing this extra long set again with the locking feature or not, but I think this length for the new ones is going to be a very popular option. Here's just a quick look at the 3/8 drive ones. Standard length, new length, extra long. This is based on their C2 platform, I guess, the locking flex head. I don't know if the ratchets they released last year that are the locking flex heads, if that's considered the C1 platform. I'm not 100% sure there. I'm a big fan of this, but I think this is a huge improvement on the locking feature. So the old design, you have a push button here, but it is spring loaded. So whenever you move it, you get to the next tooth and it automatically locks in. There is no free floating feature. You just lock it in whatever position you want, which I really like. It works really well. But in order to free float, you'd have to hold the button down, so that's not really ideal. With the new design, you have a push button, just like before, but in the up position, it is locked, and then you push it down, you can see it pop out the bottom. Now it's free floating, so you can work around obstacles, whatever you need to. But then if you're working with a stubborn fastener and you have to work at an angle, I don't want it free floating, because my luck, the handle will move and I will most likely end up punching a component, and it'll probably be sharp at that, because that's my luck, just like my camera dying in the middle of recording. But I really like this. Really, really like the push button lock, and that you can have it in a lock position or a free floating position. I'll just quickly show you if you recognize kind of this locking feature. It is very similar to the newer Gearwrench design, but I was pretty disappointed when I got this. I love the 120 XP ratchets, very smooth, 120 position, 60 tooth main gear, dual pawls. Always enjoyed the 120 XP, but two things disappointed me about this ratchet. In the lock position, you have a ridiculous amount of head play. And then Gearwrench has moved their ball detent closer to the front end, so socket retention on these new ratchets is almost non-existent. It is very, very poor. So those are two things. While I enjoy the ratchet, those are two features that kind of bum me out about this ratchet. And when I saw Capri Tools releasing this, I knew they were going to do a better job on it. I knew they were going to make sure it was done right, and they've done that. So not only is socket retention much, much better, It is ridiculous. Even if you move it to an angled position, try and get these lined up. Capri is nice and snug. Very, very little play. This almost feels like it's not even locked up. There's a lot of movement in there. So that's pretty disappointing, but really glad that Capri did it right. And I'm a huge fan of this design. So you do have 180 degrees of flex head, 9 different locking positions that you can lock it in. And that goes for both as well. The switch is nice and clicky. It is a sealed backing plate. You can see the Phillips head for the 1/4" drive. The 3/8 drive has a set of torque screws. They're very smooth. As always, really smooth. A very low back drag. They are chrome vanadium steel. They do have the max chrome plating, which Capri Tools has always done a phenomenal job. I've been using them since 2016, 2017. They've always had fantastic chrome, whether it be their ratchets, sockets, wrenches, whatever. Always a really good job on the chrome. And just a quick look at the ratchet. I actually use these to inspect my brake pads. I have track pads on my GR86. I had to remove to inspect the track pads to see how they're holding up, inspect the rotors. I had to adjust a brake line from kinking. I also installed a flex fuel kit and use these ratchets specifically, as well as the mid-lengths that Capri Tools just released, or their semi-deep 3/8 chrome sockets. But these are going to carry a lifetime warranty. And then if you guys haven't bought Capri Tools, I highly suggest it. They're priced extremely well, good quality stuff, good warranty, and they have a rewards program. The rewards program, if you spend a certain amount of money, you get this free gift. If you spend this much money, you get these free gifts. And then they also have stars. I believe you get 2 stars for every $1 that you spend. Those add up, and then you can use those stars kind of as cash on the Capri Tools website and get a discount on your next tool purchase, which is really cool. Having the flex head is really nice, and being able to lock it, especially when you're working with something that's going to be high torque. Free floating is nice and all, but when you're working with something, not necessarily this caliper bolt, but something that's high torque, applying a lot of torque to break a fastener loose when you have it free floating can be kind of sketchy, because the ratchet handle may want to move. It's good for certain situations where you're kind of rotating and you're trying to work around a component, but when you're trying to break something loose that's high torque, it can be kind of sketchy. So I like the fact that you can lock it. I can get my hand away from the actual coilover, so I'm not going to punch it or drag my hand across it. Probably one of my favorite locking flex heads out there. This is right up there with the Milwaukee that I have. Absolutely love that locking flex head. A huge improvement over Gearwrench. If Gearwrench would have done it like this, it would have been a much better ratchet, but I'm glad Capri did it, and they did it right. So definitely one of my go-to ratchets, and these mid-lengths are definitely one of my go-to now as well. But getting into pricing, like I said, individually, you're looking at $40 for the locking flex head with the comfort grip in the new design. The 3/8 drive, you're looking at $50. And then the 1/2" drive, you're looking at $70, or you can get the whole 3-piece set for $140, which is phenomenal. I have a few different ratchet sets from Capri Tools, and they're always priced so, just like these being like $60 for this 6 through 24 millimeter mid-length socket set, phenomenal. You can get them with Westling socket organizers. Phenomenal. Capri Tools does a really good job on pricing and the quality of tool that you're getting. So if you haven't checked them out, I will have these linked down in the description for you guys. I also have many other videos already released or going to be released here soon on the extended lug nut socket sets, the mid-length 3/8 drive chrome sockets, their new extended comfort grip breaker bars, and obviously the ratchets. They have a lot more newer items too, and I'm sure they'll have a lot more coming. I'm always excited to see what Capri Tools releases, but I'll have these linked down in the description for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. We made it.